So you should all have an ingredients box that's been delivered that looks a little bit like this. I'm just going to put, so cut side down of the gem, so the flat side that we sliced, that's going to go into the saucepan with the olive oil in, okay? We're going to leave it cut side down and it's frying. Okay, we're going to get a little bit of colour on it, a little bit of caramelisation, which is exactly what we want. We want a bit of taste to come into it. I'm a big fan of those bittersweet flavours you get from charred, not burnt, but I like that kind of bitterness that you can get from things being used on a blowtorch or things being cooked on a charred grill or a barbecue. Anything like that where you can heighten flavour. We're always looking for how do we drive flavour, how do we bring it into play. There's loads of different ways of doing it, of enhancing the thing. So a bitterness that you can get from that lettuce can enhance the kind of bitterness that you'll get from the leaf that's wrapped around the cod, that can enhance the sourness and the bitterness that you're getting from the reduced vinegar, and then the sugar and the sweetness that you're going to get from the verjus and the grapes, and it kind of all brings it into harmony. Basically, every time that we cook, we're always looking for that perfect balance of bitter, salt, sugar. We're looking for crunch, acidity, texture. So if you think all the time, a very good example to use is the use of tomato ketchup or malt vinegar on your fish and chips or tartar sauce on your fish and chips. If you think of all those sweet barbecue sauces that you like with a barbecue, or if you think of a full English breakfast, you put red sauce on it or brown sauce if you're from a council estate like me, brown sauce every single time. But it's like you're always looking for that perfect mixture of what ketchups essentially are vinegar and sugar reduced down with some form of bonding in it. So ketchup is tomatoes, for brown sauce is dates. So everything is just building in. So essentially when we eat something like fish and chips or a full English breakfast, whatever, and you squirt sauce on, even kids, if you've got kids at home and they put sauce on things, essentially what they're doing is trying to bring into flavour a balance of acidity. So every time they put tomato sauce on, they're essentially Michelin star chefs.